Oh, never mind.
Receive hickey? You gotta give him a hickey.
A kiss and a hickey. Y'all really balling out, nigga. Fuck. Bro, why she
Nah, you can't see that shit.
Yeah, bro, stop playing with me, bro.
First of all, your neck tastes salty.
What?
That's why I told your friend that I ain't even want to fuck with you. Fuck this blind date.
Yo, fuck this, yo. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm
nigga.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Flop D. I'm back at y'all with another lit video, man. Look, I'm back at y'all with a blonde date. Y'all be requesting the blonde dates like crazy, you feel what I'm saying? So, I'm back at y'all, you feel me? So, introduce yourself. Tell them who you is.
My name is Mercedes.
Alright, what you looking forward to out of this blonde date?
I thought he was about to go to you.
Nothing really. I can survive.
You not trying to find a boyfriend?
Not really.
Alright, bad. Alright, so look, we gonna get the boy in here and then we gonna start the blonde date.
Yeah, I'm ready. Yo, do you consider yourself thick?
Yep.
Why is that?
Cause I am.
Alright, y'all, so we here with the boy and the girl, you feel me? They gonna talk to each other, introduce themselves, so y'all can start talking. I'm asking some questions later.
I'm crazy right now, I ain't gonna lie.
Wait, what?
I wasn't talking to you.
What you say?
I gotta ask each other questions.
Alright, you wanna go first?
Don't we have to introduce ourselves?
That's what I'm saying.
You wanna go first?
Alright. So, my name is Mercedes.
My name is Spikey. And, alright, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink. What's your favorite color?
Red and green. What you like to do on the daily?
Smoke.
You like to smoke?
Yep.
You a crackhead? Nah, I'm fucking with you. I'm fucking with you.
You a crackhead?
Nah, I'm not
You
a
look
crackhead.
like one.
You smoke the Blackie?
Talking like that.
You smoke the Blackie?
I'm just not fucking with this nigga, no lie.
Oh, word. Yo, shut up. You look like an overweighted midget.
Oh,
I'm playing.
I'm a midget now.
I'm playing, bro. Alright, come on, keep going.
Bro, do y'all want to switch first?
Go get him a tall bitch for him.
Nah.
Tall bitch.
Answer the questions. Yo, stop talking, yo.
Bro, what's going on?
Ask the question.
I'm gonna start off late. Have you ever cheated on somebody?
Nah.
Nah.
Unless they cheat on me.
Alright, so y'all both loyal.
But it's get back.
I'm GBT.
Bro, if somebody cheat, bro, just break up with them, bro.
Oh, it's get back.
I feel y'all on that get back game, not sit back game. What would y'all rate yourself 1 through 10?
9.
What about you?
I would rate myself a 10.
10. I don't know if y'all want to answer this, but what's y'all ages?
I'm 16.
I'm 6.
You 6?
Bitch.
Nah, he dead at 6.
I'm 6 years old.
You just overgrown 6 years old.
Yeah, I'm a big ass 6-year-old. Should have seen the day I was born.
Alright, what is y'all turn-ons and turn-offs? You start first.
My turn-ons in a girl. My turn-ons in a female. When she don't go outside like that.
You don't like the homebodies?
Yeah, I like the homebodies. I don't like the outside bodies. When she don't be on social media 24/7, 24/8.
Nah, word.
And that ass. Love the ass. You gotta love the ass. If I don't got a pillow and I got an ass to sleep on.
Nah, that's a fact. Alright, what about you? What's your turn-ons and turn-offs in the guy?
My turn-ons in a guy is when you look good, you look, like presentable, like clean, like, And another turn-on is hair. I can't,
You like long hair?
Yeah.
You like long hair?
Yeah.
Shit. Good thing I got long hair.
Gotta be taller than me.
Oh, I'm definitely.
You just called me a midget, bro.
I ain't call you a midget. I just said I'm taller than you.
And my turn off is when a nigga don't let you be free, like do shit.
So you don't like clingy niggas?
Yeah, I like clingy niggas, but it's like you can't be too all up on me. Like, bro, you gotta let me be.
Okay. Alright, y'all got no questions for each other? Y'all got no questions?
You got a question for me?
You get your eyebrows done?
Yeah, how you know?
Cause they look clean. Like they look, you know.
Appreciate it.
You like that?
It. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Set up.
So let me hang it. Alright, so look. I'm gonna ask y'all one more
Wait,
question.
let me ask my question.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So, how many boyfriends have you ever had throughout your whole life?
Like 2.
Like 2? Oh, bro.
Dang, you 16.
Why the fuck she lying?
Hey, I don't know.
Nah, I had talked to like, you know, I don't get in relationships that fast. Like, I'm not a relationship type of a girl.
Yo, get the fuck out the car. No, I'm just playing.
Yo, alright. I got out.
I'm playing.
Nah, yeah, wow.
It takes me long to get in a relationship.
How long?
Like maybe a few months.
So when was your last relationship?
Damn. Like last summer.
Last summer?
Yeah.
It was toxic?
Yeah.
Niggas broke up with you?
Nah.
Hey, who was the problem? You?
Fuck yeah.
Both of us.
That's how you know she the problem, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Like, would y'all date somebody if they had a best friend, like a boy best friend, a girl best friend? Like, what if she had a boy best friend? Would you date her?
Nah,
Why not?
cause he'd be fucking her.
Going to them, telling them stuff.
Yo, that's crazy.
I mean, it's not always like that for me, but hey, I don't know.
Nah, it's always like that.
No, it's not like that.
It's always like that.
It's not always like that.
Would you fuck with him if he had a girl best friend?
No.
So what you mean?
Why?
Nah, y'all ain't got no trust.
What you mean? You just like what?
Cause I'll be fucking her. Nah,
Nah.
Look at you.
I'm saying I was playing. Shut the fuck up.
Who shut the yo, who's this nigga feeling like?
Alright, so look, they talked for me. They got to know each other a little bit. So now it's time to reveal their face for me. So 3, 2, 1, y'all can take your mask off.
Niggas make me put my mask off. Oh, I gotta make sure my shit straight.
Alright.
My head crazy right now.
So, I like what y'all see.
Go first.
You answer that question first.
Yeah.
Alright, what would you rate him 1 through 10?
I rate him a 9.5.
Ooh, 9.5? Shit.
Oh, don't let me hang him.
9.5, alright.
Nigga feeling himself.
So you like what you see, Okay.
Yo.
What about you? What would you rate 1 through 10?
1 through 10.
Yeah.
I give him. I give him a 9.
You go 9? Alright, that's calm. Alright, so look. We finna do dare or dare. I'm gonna spin the wheel, and y'all got 1 skip. Who wanna spin first?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah, rock,
Alright.
paper, scissors.
Bitch, do it like this. Do it right.
Hey, don't skip the first one, bro. Don't do
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
No, see? Alright, come on.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Who won?
Me, of course.
Bitch, you
Alright,
want.
so that means you gotta
Alright.
spin first.
Alright.
Me?
Nah, she gotta spin first.
Alright.
Alright. Just press spin. Let me take my earbuds out.
What is that?
Nothing.
Spin it again.
Spin that shit again.
Nah, you
Nah,
go.
spin that shit
You
again.
gotta spin it. You gotta land on something.
I mean, son, nigga, no.
Yo, bro.
Spin that shit
Damn.
again. You gonna keep spinning to that shit, son. Look. Take
Yo.
your finger. Take your finger, press that shit.
Say something.
I'm not saying. Yo.
gotta say it in his ear though. You gotta say it in his ear. You can say whatever.
I don't know what I'm gonna say.
I'm not here.
What I'm gonna say?
I don't know.
Y'all playing right now because I don't even know what to say.
Bro, say hey, I'm not a girl.
I'm sorry for.
I can't help you with that. I'm not a girl, right?
Whisper in my ear.
You gotta say it in his ear. You don't gotta really mean it. You can just.
Yo, what the fuck?
Bro, she said.
Yo, she said. Oh shit! What the fuck is that? You playing with me right now?
Can I spin again?
Alright.
So you wanna skip?
Give her a last
chance.
This is our last
Alright,
chance.
so out of all of them, you wanna skip that one?
Yeah, cause I don't know what to
Dumbass,
say.
easy as shit. Alright, I'm gonna spin.
That's it. Only skip. Spin again.
What did I say?
Show the camera. Show the camera. Show the
I
camera.
am done.
Show the camera.
I'm so fucking done.
You wanna give me a hickey?
It's either you.
No, I don't know who you feeling like.
She do wanna give me a hickey.
Okay.
I mean, Atlanta don't give hickey though, so you gotta get it. You gotta give her a
Let's
hickey.
get down. I'm gonna make her feel comfortable.
Alright.
Here, spin again. But if that shit land on it again, you know what I'm talking about.
Y'all both skip bitch. Kiss neck.
Kiss this top.
I'ma just.
Okay, something late. For me, something late. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. How you feel about that?
What's alright?
Fuck with that.
You need to come a little bit down more. Oh, never mind.
Receive hickey?
What?
You gotta give him a hickey.
A kiss and a hickey. I'm really balling out, nigga. Fuck.
You got a kiss on your neck. You
I
don't know how to
I
act.
don't care. I get a kiss. I get a hickey too. Yo, come on, bro.
You really want me to give you a kiss?
Come on,
Okay.
Yup.
Receive hickey?
Yup. I already skipped the last.
Ain't that OD though?
That's a skip. Alright, come on.
Wherever you wanted at. You wanna do that? Get in the camera, move over a little bit,
Yeah, move over a little bit.
I'm not doing it no more because you want me to move over now?
Bro, I told you to get in the camera. Hickey.
Niggas mad. Hey.
Come on, bro. Bro, why she
Nah, you can't see that shit.
Yeah, bro, stop playing with me, bro. Come on.
First of all, your neck tastes salty.
What?
I'll be so that I just want to taste this neck.
Hey, yo.
Don't do that.
I ain't gonna lie, don't cut that part out, cause that shit was gay what you just said. That shit was gay.
Salty.
I know y'all probably wondering why this blind date is so short, or shorter than my other ones, but basically what happened was they kept fighting and they didn't want to do none of the deal, so this is what happened.
Don't talk to my brother like that, yo. What size bro you wear? What size bro you wear? Alright, it's recorded. Wait, what you said? I'm asking what size bro she wear. You know what I'm saying? T, man, big. I can't ask her a question. Yo, what? You hear him? Crib, then we gonna come to the picture.
Wait, so wait, so you going to a crib?
No, he is not. No, nigga.
Wait, first of all, how crib? Y'all gonna... live your life, man. Come on.
Bro, hurry up, bro. We got places.
I close it over. We got 5 minutes. Give us 5 minutes.
I got 5 minutes.
Yo, you know what they say, bro.
Come on, shut up, phone.
Oh, they're stupid slugs.
Yo,
4K. It's crazy. See, they chilling and shit. They can do all of this off camera, but none of this on camera. This is crazy. This is crazy. They heavy.
She trying to act like she not fucking with my son, but look at her. They booed up. You
But
know?
none of that on
He looking at the camera.
Look, he's looking at the camera and shit. None of this on camera. All this could be off camera. This is crazy. This is crazy.
Alright, so that's the end of the video, man. If y'all enjoyed this video, please make sure that y'all leave a like on the video, subscribe. This blind date was toxic and crazy, for what I'm saying. If y'all fuck with it, subscribe to the channel, so the video see how I feel me. Friends, you wanna vote to 3K, man. And yeah, first off, before we end the video, what y'all rate this blind date 1 through 10? I ain't gonna lie.
A 4.
Fuck this blind date.
Yo, fuck this bitch.
Fuck this nigga. No comment.
Alright. New York love story. You know what I'm saying? We out of here though.
Nigga said love story. Fuck. Yo, what?